Here's a 2014 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe. There's no subtlety here. Boldly powerful and luxurious, this CTS-V does everything emphatically. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, adaptive suspension, driver selectable mode, power tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, memory steering wheel settings, and intercooled supercharged V8 engine. Motor Trend points out that supercharged V8 drinks from such deep reserves of power and torque that it hardly feels like it's breaking a sweat. Cadillac is driving the world forward. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.